What does a world without insurance look like? In the insurance world, there is so much to learn and explore, which can be a very, very big deal. Today at Insurance Reassurance, we are going to break down the question of what does a world without insurance look like. In this video, the information will cover the following topics. How will the world be any different from what we know it as today without the existence of insurance? How a world without insurance will affect the many different areas of life that usually have insurance, and more. We know this is information we all may be wondering at one point of our life, and with that being said, many people, including myself, cannot grasp the idea of a world without insurance. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time and let's jump straight into the video. It actually never hit us until we heard someone say it. What we are experiencing is just a business income issue. It was marvelous in the event that you are an insurance nerd. Many are simply hearing this term business income, interestingly including the numerous entrepreneurs who either have it and don't know it, or understand what it is and are asking why they don't have it. Yet, it doesn't make any difference truly, as the pandemic won't trigger coverage in any case. However, that is another topic that you can discover numerous articles on. What you won't discover articles on are what should be brought to the consideration of many. The world, as far as we might be concerned and need it to be, can't exist without insurance. It's a fact and we'll demonstrate it. In the event that you are in insurance, you know this. However, on the off chance that you are the other 99% of the world, you may have never considered this thought, and I can guarantee why. It's insurance. Anytime that our lives are disturbed, changed, or undermined, the insurance industry consistently steps up to plan items to help ensure our lifestyle. It's imperative to life as far as we might be concerned. What is insurance? So what is insurance? In basic terms, insurance is an exchange of risk starting with one individual or organization, then on to the next. Suppose a real estate developer and contractor in New York City needs to demolish a building and afterward develop a 80-story building that is surrounded by 50-story buildings. It's an average development project in the large city, and that would never take place without insurance. Imagine a scenario in which the building they are building falls over into different buildings, damaging it while simultaneously hurting or killing individuals around it. That could cost millions, if not billions, and all the risk is on the developer and contractor. So the job of the insurance company is to examine the project and charge a premium for the risk they expect. The risk is then moved from the developer and contractor to the insurance company at a cost. Now everybody is covered and protected on the off chance that something disastrous occurs and the work can continue. In a real sense, a huge number of contracts and projects like this are occurring all the way across America, regularly prodding our development and growth, and this couldn't occur without insurance. Think life insurance, same thing. Individuals were dying and leaving their families with debt, taxes, and loss of future pay from an individual dying early who was the provider for the family. What did the business do in the face of this issue as a society? They ventured up and made a product that for a premium they would pay a singular amount in case of death. That product is life insurance. I could continue on, but everyone needs to realize life isn't what we know it without insurance, and for a large number of us, simply looking out into the world is difficult to see, with the exception of the present moment, of course. If you really want to see what a world looks like without insurance, simply take a look at the world right now. The COVID pandemic in under 3 weeks has destroyed the world economy, and not because it is spreading and killing. It was destroyed based on the fact that our economy is based on things being purchased and sold, and us carrying on with our lives as they should have been. And when that doesn't happen, the world stops. However, it doesn't need to be that way, and how you fix it is with insurance products. Insurance companies currently are producing items for businesses and consumers so that in case of this incident happening again for a premium, they will expect the danger, keep the doors open, and the bills paid. We will be unable to prevent a pandemic from occurring, yet we can prevent it from destroying our lives and economy, and the only thing that can make that happen is an insurance product. Insurance is wonderful. It can tackle the world's issues. It generally has. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed our video, hit that like button. It really helps us out here and it allows us to continue to make the content that you crave. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can be alerted to when our next video goes up. We will see you next time, right here on Insurance Reassurance.